You should think of Teams as your virtual office, the place you go every day to get your work done. But many people are still only scratching the surface of what Microsoft Teams can do. They may be familiar with instant messaging and video calling, but not fully utilizing some of the rich collaborative features. Now, in this section, I want to share with you some of the features in Microsoft Teams that will help bring your new IT strategy to life, turning Teams into your virtual office, helping individuals and teams be the best they possibly can. So let's get on and look at how we can build a rich collaborative operating environment within Teams, the go-to place for all things relating to collaborating with your colleagues. So let's look at how that plays out. Let's start with the customer onboarding team. The customer onboarding team is a cross-departmental team consisting of both sales and technical staff. This team is responsible for getting new customers onto a Microsoft 365 service. The new customer request channel is where sales managers go to request the engineering manager sign off to progress with a new customer onboarding. So let's make that request. So I'm a sales manager. I'm going to make a new request for Acme Limited onboarding. Megan is the engineering manager, so that's who I want to sign off this. I'm going to give Megan a little bit of a high level introduction to Acme. Acme are a 100 user organization, want to join our Microsoft 365 service. Okay, now I've been a good chap and I've gone and completed an onboarding document, and I'm going to upload that from my OneDrive. There it is. Add that so that Megan can review and sign that off. So there we go. Let's make the request of Megan. Now we can see that I'm now logged in as Megan, the engineering manager, and we can see that in the new customer request, Megan has received in a request for the onboarding of Acme Limited. We can see a little bit of detail there was added in just a moment ago, and there's the onboarding document. So Megan can read that onboarding document and then decide whether there's enough detail in there to approve it or not. So let's, on this occasion, let's approve that document, or let's approve the customer. And we can see that Megan's approved this. Now we can see I'm now logged back in as the sales manager, and I can see fantastic news. My request has been approved. So that's fantastic. If it came back as rejected, obviously I could have reached out to Megan to find out what the case was for that. Now the service onboarding channel is for the engineering manager, for Megan and her team, to organize the onboarding of the various customers. They use the Planner app to manage the various customers through the process of scoping, planning, rollout and sign off. We can see various customers here at various stages of that process. We also have a channel calendar to track resources where everyone can see what is going on and when. So we can see that we've got a weekly onboarding review meeting as a team, which is fantastic. We can also see, for example, that Acme has got a proposed go live date of that particular weekend. So what is really nice about this team is that a sales manager, for example, can come into this team, request a new customer to be onboarded, and then view how the customer is progressing through the various stages of the onboarding process through to sign off, allowing everybody to stay in tune across the various departments involved in delivering a great service to our customers.